County in East Central New York until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Coxsackie, or 10 miles north of Catskill, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Coxsackie, Van Hosen Station, Ravina, Dormansville, Rossman, Rayville, Otter Hook, Riders Mills, Kinderhook, Climax, Brick Tavern, Harlemville, South Shindak, Cairo Junction, Lawrence Park, Buckleyville, Niverville, Leeds, Gayhead, and Hudson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Albany, Columbia, Greene, and Rensselaer. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 218, effective until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in New York, Columbia, Greene, and Rensselaer. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds.
I was expecting this.
In close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. And now the National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Berkshire County in western Massachusetts, northeastern Columbia County in east central New York, southeastern Rensselaer County in east central New York, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Nassau, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Barkerville, Soldiers Memorial Field, Jack's Corners, North Hancock, Cheshire Harbor, Arnoldville, Savoy, Rayville, Riders Mills, Berkshire, the Center at Lenox, Dalton, Adams Junction, Village